Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play dots and boxes on iMessage. To begin, open an existing iMessage conversation with a friend or start a new one. Look for the App Store icon, usually to the left of your text input field. Tapping this reveals your iMessage app drawer. From there, select the game's Pigeon app, then choose dots and boxes to start your game. Send the invitation to your friend to begin. The objective of dots and boxes is quite simple. Connect dots to form squares. Players take turns drawing a single line, either horizontally or vertically between two adjacent dots. When you draw the fourth side of any 1x1 square, you claim that box, and it will be marked with your color. A key rule is that completing a square also grants you an additional turn, allowing for strategic plays. Scoring in dots and boxes is straightforward. Each square you complete earns you 1 point. The player who has claimed the most squares by the end of the game is declared the winner. A good strategy involves not just completing your own squares, but also carefully blocking your opponent. Try to anticipate their next moves and prevent them from forming large chains of boxes, especially towards the end of the game. To truly master dots and boxes, consistent practice is key. Pay close attention to your opponent's moves and try to discern their strategy. Sometimes, it can be advantageous to sacrifice a single square, giving it to your opponent, if it allows you to set up a sequence where you can claim several squares in subsequent turns. Playing many rounds will help you develop a keen eye for winning opportunities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.